What is up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be trying to fix my 2023 GMC Sierra, my directions, and my speed limit. When I bought the truck, I accidentally pulled out the SD card from the center console, and I didn't realize that it was for my speed and my maps and everything like that. So, GM wants about $100 for a brand new one, and I found another one on Amazon for about 25 bucks, and we're going to see if it works. It's not an exact GM one, it's an aftermarket one, but it's got the same part number and everything, so we're going to put it in, and we're going to see if we can get our speed back and our maps back and everything like that. I tried taking the other one and plugging it into my computer to be able to, recover the corrupted files, but my computer just would not recognize it. So I've seen other people do that in forums, but I couldn't do it in my case scenario, so I had to buy a new one. So we're going to plug this in when the truck's off, and then we're going to turn the truck on and go into our maps. And supposedly you can lock the new one to the truck because you can only use it on one car. And supposedly we should have our speed limit back and our maps back. So let's try it out. If you guys are in the same position, don't go pay your dealership tons of money. Let's try this out first, see if it works. And if it does work, then you guys saved a whole bunch of money. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So I've got the 0236 SD card, which is for the 2023 models. You can buy upgraded ones, but I'm not sure if they'll work for this specific truck. So we bought another one, and it's in this case. So let's set that down to the side. We're going to open up this case, and we have our new one. So we're going to open up our center console right here, and it'll go in this slot right here. So we're going to go ahead and push it in. Looks like the sticker goes forward. So there we go. Now we're just going to push that in. Boom. Now we're going to close down that. We're going to turn the truck on, and then wait for our screen to boot up, make sure our radio is off and everything, and hopefully this works. Now we're going to hit navigation, and it's loading, so that's more than it did before. Once initialized, this nav SD card can only be used for navigation in this vehicle. So we want to hit confirm, and there we go. So the maps are working now, and that means that my speedometer should tell me the suggested speed limit. So as we can tell, the maps are back. I can go back out of it, I can click into it again, and I've got my maps, which you wouldn't have without an SD card. So we're going to go and take it for a drive, see if I can get my speed back, and we'll bring you guys along. As you guys can tell, I've got my speed back, which was gone when the SD card was out. So it looks like it fixed everything. Alright guys, so looks like it was a pretty easy fix. I'm back at home now, and we got our directions back, we got our speed limit back. I know it's just a little stupid simple thing, but I was getting sick and tired. It's been like 2 years I haven't had it, so I wanted to have it back, and it was 25 bucks. I'll put the link down below for the card that I purchased. Every vehicle might have a different number on the card, so just order whatever your number card is. And I can't guarantee you it'll work, because some of the reviews said that it was iffy. But for me, it worked. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.